more offers that you make, the bigger your buy box is going to get. The more offers that you make, the bigger your buy box is going to get. I can guarantee you, because I had somebody that just came into the turnkey acquisitions, and he was adamant that he wanted to buy something in Texas. But in turnkey acquisitions, like, we share all of our deals with, so not only do you have one virtual assistant working for you, you've got 15 virtual assistants working for you. And so he went in and looked at like 15 other deals. And all of a sudden he's like, look, I'm open to this date. I'm open to this date. I'm kind of just open to whatever. I just want a good deal. I see all the types of deals that you're doing. I see the numbers that are being run. I'm open to a good deal. That's what I'm open to. And he lives in Dallas. Okay. So that's what I'm saying when I say get your buy box bigger. You don't have to be remote. I mean, you don't have to be right there. You can run your facility contactless. This is a term that came up during COVID, right? All you need is a call center and a boots on the ground person. Especially for these smaller facilities, okay? If you are okay with having facility not in hand's reach, right? And having a call center answer your calls and a boots on the ground person handling like the overlocks and stuff, your buy box has just gotten way bigger. Okay? But if you're the type of person who's like, no, I live in California and I only want something in California, guess what? It's going to be hard to find a deal in California or Nevada or Utah. I mean, there's some states out there that it is difficult to find facilities in. And then there's states that it's just left and right, one good deal after the other. I ain't telling you what states those are because we've done all of our work to figure all those out. But you can do the same thing. Get out there and start looking at deals and making offers so that you can become more aware of what the market looks like. Okay? Does that make sense to everybody? All right. Location, being aware of deals, remote, making offers. Okay, now let's make your buy box even bigger. Well, you know how to make your buy box bigger. Deal analyzer, and on my deal analyzer, right? You can buy your properties with cash, seller financing, private money, and then bank financing. And there's some other creative deal solutions. Okay. Do you want your buy box to be bigger? My buy box is the biggest it can be because of this. All right. I will buy anywhere in the country and I can do all of this. Okay. So I could really buy anywhere or do anything. And you want to get to the level, to the highest level that you can get. And the one thing that holds you back, remember, you have the bank financing, which 80% of you, I can guarantee, is thinking, I'm going to go to a bank and get a loan. Right? But if you understand these concepts, if you understand how to raise money, if you understand how to put creative deal structures together, if you understand how to partner and how partnerships work, if you understand these concepts, your buy box will be too big, right? We have too many opportunities. You've got to learn how to pay for facilities with cash. How does Stacy pay for her properties with cash. If it's $1 million or $2 or $3 million, how does she do that? All right. How does Stacy get her deals seller financed or find deals for her students or get her students to seller finance? Right. How am I almost, I'd say 95%, I'd say 90% debt free on my properties? Right? How do I raise private capital? This is what you have to focus on. If you want your buy box to be bigger and you want more opportunities to come to you from now over the next couple of years, because I'm going to guarantee you the next couple of years are going to be even worse than what it is today on the financing side, on the banking side. The banks are getting super tight. All right. And, there's still opportunity right now, but that opportunity is getting smaller and smaller. So you got to focus on this. Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.